The Police Service of Northern Ireland has reported that riots have begun in Northern Ireland in Belfast. The protesters in Belfast have reportedly been disturbing residents staying in a Holiday Inn hotel. 4 shops have been looted and 2 police cars have been set on fire, including a bus and a train at Great Victoria Street Station. 23 police officers have been injured as tensions with the protesters escalated and a number of arrests have been made.